morning, Lavish fam. So, as you guys know, I have been talking about refreshing the master bedroom for a couple weeks now, and I didn't get around to it because I was waiting for one of the key items to come in, and I had been looking for new decor pieces, and then I had a procedure. Long story short, I'm doing it today. I am planning to do a refresh on the master bedroom today, just because I feel like it's time, as well as I felt like, in the words of my girl Nitra, her channel was Be Encouraged by Nitra. I believe that's what it is. Be Encouraged with Nitra or by Nitra. I'll put it across the screen. But anyway, she says just to just it up a bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is justing up the master bedroom today. So I'm going to have some breakfast, and then I'm going to take you up there and show you what it looks like right now. Okay, y'all. So this is what the bedroom looks like currently. So I did not make up the bed this morning because I knew that I was going to be stripping the bed, so there was no point in making it up because we just got out of, well, I just got out of it a couple hours ago. The fan. The fan. I did not realize until recently that that fan only has, for some reason, only does one speed. And this is it. This is it. One speed. So that has to go. Let me open the curtains to get some extra light going. Okay, and as you guys know, I recently did a closet purge, going through getting rid of all of the clothes that I do not wear. After I did it, Amani did it and brought her bags in here as well. So we have 6 bags of clothes and shoes and things that need to be donated. But first, I'm going to empty out the room so we can start fresh. I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want, and I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. The sex gon' be evidence. The sex is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, planning on my patient. Now you laying face down, got me singing over the beat. Alright guys, so the room is now cleared out. The first thing that we're going to do is take down the ceiling fan and replace it. And because I'm trying to be better at listening and not just doing, Dante is going to be assisting me in putting up our new ceiling fan. Chandelier, whatever it's called. What is it? It's a fandelier. It's a fandelier.
It's a fan with a light.
It's a fan with a light. Okay, but anyway, he's going to be assisting me. So let's go ahead and do this first. Ready, babes?
Sure.
You want me? I can get up there and like at least start.
Sure, I don't even know how to.
I can do it. Hold on.
It was easy with the booby lights, because you just unscrew the thing, and but this.
I don't think it's gonna be that big of a. But then again, we put the fandelier up. Ooh, it's hot already in here. We have to drop the temp in here. It's hot.
But that was a booby light in there originally.
But when we put the,
I'm not talking about the install. I'm talking about taking this down. Like.
This bed's so soft. Okay. Here, hold this. This. Okay. This one may work.
Oh, you can't reverse the thing on this thing.
Hmm?
But I said you can't for direction. You want to turn off the electricity, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea. We probably should do that. You gonna go turn it off?
I guess. I'm like, why is this light on?
Dante gonna go turn the electricity off. Completely forgot. While we're waiting on Dante to go and turn off the electricity, or the fuse box thingy, this vlog is sponsored by Parrot Uncle. Parrot Uncle is an online website that sells fandeliers, chandeliers, pendant lights, all things lighting at a very affordable price. I have partnered with them 2 other times. They provided our fandelier for Amani's room, as well as our light that's downstairs in the office. I absolutely love them. The shipping is quick. It comes really greatly packaged. And like I said, the prices are very affordable. I cannot wait to put up our new fandelier, because I know it's going to be gorgeous. I know, just because of the 2 other products that we've received from them. Amani loves her fandelier, and when I tell you it puts out so much air, perfect. So I'm going to link everything below, as well as any discount codes for Parrot Uncle. And yeah, we're just waiting on Dante. All right. Got it?
Can you get down?
Hold on.
You got it?
Yep. As you guys know, I am not the best at following instructions, aka directions, aka all of that. So I'm gonna leave that to Dante. He gonna just tell me what I need to do. So we're gonna take a little break so he can read over the instructions, aka directions, and then we'll get back to you all when we get ready to start hanging this fandelier.
This one will be fun. This bad boy a little heavy.
It's a little heavy.
Yeah. You're gonna have to be quick with these wires. So this fandelier is 52 inches and it's kind of heavy. Dante is nursing his elbow. He has an elbow injury from working out. So I had to kind of, you know, do more lifting than usual. But I don't want y'all to get it twisted. We got this thing up there, but it says that it's supposed to take 40 to 60 minutes. It took us probably twice that. We ended up taking a lunch break, going to Walmart, got some new light bulbs for it, got some electrical tape. I had to take a break because I was getting frustrated, and Dante was like, look, let's just take a break and come back at it, which I'm glad we did, because once I took a break and came back at it, I was able to go ahead and finish it out. Like I said, because he couldn't do a whole lot with his elbow, but we managed to get it up. It looks amazing. I'm very happy with the outcome. So, I mean, you'll see in just a bit.
All right, before we put on the last piece, we want to make sure that it works. So, moment of truth.
It's just not wired to this way.
I did it.
Good God. Don't stick your hand up there.
Wow. Kind of shakes a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Is just because it's
on that little pivot thing.
yeah. Okay, we gonna finish it and put the other piece on. Now that we know that it works. First try. High five. Okay, so it does come with the remote, so you can activate either the lights or the fan, and it has 3 different speeds, and you also have a timer of how long you want it to be on. So once again, that's what it looks like. All right, so let's decorate. Well, first we gotta clean.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad, bad, bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to time. I need to hold the corner, and there's no one time. I need to, 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 I need to hold the corner, and it's no one time. I need to hold the corner, and there's no one time. Cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you.
All right, guys, so the battery died on my camera, so I'm going to do the final reveal on my phone. So let's do that. So even though the changes are pretty subtle, it did make a big difference, especially with the Fandelier and the new like artwork back there. I love the colors that are in here, so I did not want to change that, but I knew I wanted like a darker comforter and new bedding. Everything that I got, the bedding and everything came from Amazon and will be linked in my Amazon storefront. The Fandelier, of course, it came from Parrot Uncle. I really appreciated Parrot Uncle for sending me such a beautiful, beautiful Fandelier. It absolutely complements our room so nicely. That would also be linked in the description box if anyone is interested. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.